Top of the morning, pumpkin friends. It's Chad from Colorado Giants. Today is May 5th. It's time for a quick once around so I can show you guys how everything's been going. Before we get into it, I just want to say thanks. We are just about at 1,000 subscribers. If we're not there already, that's pretty darn awesome, so I appreciate the support. I guess the next goal is probably 1,500 subscribers. And in the next video, we're going to do a giveaway of some sorts. I'm assuming that if we're not at 1,000 subscribers already, we will be next week. We got to do a giveaway. Comment below with what you would like to see in the giveaway. Do you want to see, a shirt? Shirt could be cool. Some seeds. You want to see seeds and shirts? Do you want to see, heck, I got an extra kid. I'm willing to give away the 2-year-old. He's kind of challenging at times. We'll even throw in the 2-year-old in the giveaway. So let's comment below, and we'll give some cool stuff away, and we'll have a good time. But enough about that. Wait, make sure you subscribe and hit the little bell so you get those notifications when we post that giveaway video next week. So let's talk about the pumpkins. So the pumpkins have been in the dirt now. They went in last Saturday, so that's 7. Today is Wednesday morning. It's about 7 a.m. So that was, Saturday, Monday, Tuesday. So that's 10 days ago. So the plants have been in the ground for 10 days, and they're looking really good. I've been busy doing kind of yard work. I did a lot of yard work this week. It's been rainy. It's been nice. So I've taken advantage of that time, because the plants are kind of in standby mode almost. Finally did get the chickens out of the coop. Worked on the wet wall in the back. The temperatures this past 10 days have been nuts. It's been like 80 degrees, 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 78 degrees. So I did have to get the wet wall running despite my best efforts. I still have that leak there in the middle that I had last year. Very frustrated about that. I don't want to take apart the whole wet wall. I can fix it, but I would have to do that, and I just don't want to. I re-braced everything in a better, more sexy fashion that doesn't look quite as horrible. I cleaned all the weeds out of there. I rerouted my vent pipe, and yeah, it's looking really good. My decision for that, or my solution for this, is I'm going to go to my store. I'm going to get a small fish aquarium pump, and a 5-gallon bucket, and I'm just going to recirculate it in there so I'm not wasting all that water every day. And you do what you got to do. So let's look at the plants. I would say the plants in this past week have doubled. If I'm being honest, they're not growing as fast as I want them to grow. But I have to tell myself that they've only been in here for a week, and it's really, not that bad. They have probably doubled in size. But, I get to that point where you want to see them throw out a vine and run like the wind. And they're getting there. This is the 2005 Haste. And, this one, the vine is starting. Same, the vine's starting over there. And they're looking good. They probably will start to lay down and run. I don't know. Hopefully by next week's video, we'll see them kind of laid over and got something resembling a vine on there. So they are doing pretty good. I haven't been fertilizing them because the temperatures have been so wacky. I will start that this week with just some low doses. This is the 21, what is this one? This is not the 2118 Baron. I have forgotten what I have planted. 2118 Baron. My pause. These are the 23 and change Gingers. These are the Tiger King plants. This one is looking like the better. So people ask, why do you plant two? I personally plant two because no two are the like. These are the same seed, but this one is better than this one currently. But by the time I make my decision, this one could be better. I know I'm not going to kill them or anything like that. I do it just because I want to pick between the two, or, unforeseen circumstances. This one could have a ribbon vine. This one could have a double vine or whatever. Last year, Tractor, This one, for example, had a ribbon vine, and this one had a double vine. So I had to make the choice, and I chopped off the double vine, and I went with that plant. So it just gives me options. Some people do it, some people don't. I like to do it. I feel like it really doesn't hurt anything. So, got all my planted some other things. So I got some hot peppers and tomatoes, cucumbers, zucchini, different types of pumpkins for the children. And who am I kidding? For myself. So this is my 13 change Urana, or my 15 and change. That one's looking pretty good. Here's my backup 1378, who's significantly smaller. So it's pretty obvious who's going to win that race, just as long as it doesn't have anything special happen to it. And then over here, the 2118 Baron plants are looking real good too. These ones you can probably see a little bit better. So that's what it looks like when they, start to want to vine. It'll get thick, and then in that tip right there, it'll throw out that vine, and it'll just be off to the races. That one's even an ideal position to start to vine, whereas this one, I've been piling some dirt up on this side to try and encourage it to lay down a little bit. It's really chilly right now. It's not really chilly, but it's first thing in the morning, and you can see this one's almost wanting to point back towards me. So as this vine starts to build right here, I'm really going to have to encourage it to go out that direction. But that's really about it. Not a whole lot happened this week. Just kind of getting them ready to go. The next week, by the time we have an update next week, I might take these hoop huts off. I feel like they perhaps are giving them a little bit too much shade, and with the greenhouse and our temperatures just being what they are going to be past Mother Day, shouldn't have much freezing problems. And then I'll rototill up everything, get my walking boards down, and work on setting up the irrigation. So that's it, guys. Appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. Mash that subscribe button, and don't forget to go check out all the other awesome YouTube pages that have popped up this year. There's some really great growers that have forgotten more about pumpkins than I know, so definitely give them a subscribe. There's a really cool one, Northeast, I think it was Northeast Pumpkin Grower, Northeast Giant Pumpkin Growers. I'll look it up and I'll put the link below. He has a really fun style of YouTube video that is kind of relaxing and just fun to watch. I do have a video I need to do on my rototiller. A couple people have asked me about that monster blue machine. I'll tell you all about it and why I chose that one. But that's it, guys. Have a good one. See you next time.